The cost, and this is a great question, the cost to maintain and establish a HELOC. So pretty much, again, banks offer you different costs and different fees and stuff like that. Mine is really good in that. They cover pretty much everything. But of course, you're gonna go to an appraisal. Some banks pays for the appraisal. Sometimes you have to pay. They charge you an application fee. They give you the money back if you are turned down by credit. But if you continue, that's gonna be in the loan. Some, and this is not really common, charge you points at front. Uh, the same as a hard money lender, they will tell you, I'll give you this, but you have to pay me this upfront. And the closing costs include, attorneys, title search, money, mortgage preparation, the underwriting, everything is like a normal mortgage. So I calculate around 2 to 3% of the loan amount, not the appraisal of the house, the loan amount. Who or how will you repay your HELOC, right? So some of the banks offer a prepayment plan. Here's the key that I'm giving you. Go for the interest only, and I believe Felipe agree with this, because you only pay $100, $200, $300 in like 10, 20, $50,000 because it's only the interest, right? If you want, and make sure that the bank in the small letters, they usually mix this and they say principal and interest, or or interest only. So I recommend you to go for interest only because that gives you more flexibility. Make sure that the bank has, so my bank offers charge $500 for a prepaid. So if you use the money and then in 6 months you come and pay it back, they say, okay, we charge you $500 extra. Why? Because it makes sense. The bank is not making money. You're making money out of it. So you have to make sure that those prepaid fees are going to play in your benefit. The minimum, I think, is 2 years as a $500 fee for the prepaid loan. And of course, again, some will charge you for the titles, the amount of the loan, whether you pay at the end, at the middle, or depends how you pay the HELOC. It doesn't matter at the end, and at the end of the draw period, which could be 5 or 10. That HELOC, if you never pay it off, it's gonna turn into a conventional loan for 20 years with a fixed rate, and it's like another mortgage. And here's another note. Many times people say, "Oh, I got a HELOC and my payment is only $100, so I don't have to pay a mortgage." No, 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 no. You have your mortgage payment, and now you have your HELOC payment, right? So make sure that you understand that, because people think that they pay the mortgage off, and they only have to a small amount of payments. That's not true.